If you want to save time with color corrections and everything, then you can use the auto features to quickly correct out the image colors. So in order to do that, you can use the auto adjust, auto pop and auto B&W options. And to do that, you can go around into adjustment. So here you can see that there's auto adjust on the top. If you have to click on this, then it automatically adjusted the colors a bit. So it popped out a bit. So you can see the before right here, which is a bit faint right here. So there's a very faint change on colors, but the auto adjust, the later one, is more color rich, as you can see right here. You can go around into auto pop as well, which allows you to pop out the image right here. You can immediately see that it brightens out the picture and makes the picture a lot more sharper. So this is the before and this is the after. And the other option is auto B&W, which actually turns the picture black and white. So this may be something you want or you may not want. So it depends on your personal preference. So you can see that you can quickly use the auto adjust and auto pop to pop out the picture colors and then sharpness out of a picture without having to do much inside of Pixlr E. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.